Hi guys, I'm Rehane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet mug cover. This mug cover is very easy and very beautiful, and you can use it for a mug. I use for this mug. As you can see, this is simple and I don't like the design of this part, so I prefer to make a cover for this mug. For this tutorial I use cotton yarn and I use the hook. Size of the hook is 30mm and a pair of scissors and a needle to hide the extra yarn. So let's go to see how to crochet mug cover, but before that please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. For the first round I'm going to make slip knot like this, and now I have a slip knot, and then I'm going to make chains. These chains, it depends of the size of your mug, so you must continue this until you think this is enough for the round of this part. So continuous chains, make chains until you think this is enough for this part. Now I have 50 of these chains, and as you can see, if I put another in round of this mug, for example here in this part, not this part, okay, here exactly, and then here, this is enough, okay. Don't put these chains here and make a size, put it here between these parts. For the next round I make just one chain and then put the hook here in the next stitch, not here in the first, in the next, and make just one single crochet. Again put the hook here in the next stitch and make another single crochet. So in this round we need make single crochet until we arrive in the end of this chain. Now I finish this round, and then again I make just one chain, and now when I want to make single crochet, I put the hook here, exactly here in the back loop, and here this is the back loop, so I put the hook here in the back loop and make just one single crochet. Again put the hook in the back loop and make just one single crochet. So you must put hook here and make single crochet until again you arrive in the end of this part. I finished this round and you can see this crochet pattern. This is so beautiful. Then for the next round I prefer to use different color, and I use purple. So I put the yarn here and make one chain, like this, and then put the hook here in the first stitch in the back loop and make another single crochet, and again like before put the hook in the back loop and make another single crochet until you arrive in the end of this part. And now I have two rounds of this color, and I continue this pattern until I guess this is enough for the size of this mug. As you can see, if I put this here, it covers this part, and I must go this pattern until I arrive here, and I guess this is enough for the cover of this mug. Now I complete this part, and if I put it here, you can see this is enough. Then I use a needle again and use this color of yarn and in the middle of this part, exactly here, put the hook here, then make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I think this is enough. Then put it again here in the same hole and make just one slip stitch and one chain. Then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn, this yarn and this yarn, and then sew the button here like this. Now I sew the button here, and if I put this cover in this part, then I can fix them together like this. Okay, now it's time for design this mug cover. Let's go. For design this mug cover, first I'm going to make flower crochet, so I'm going to make magic ring, put the hook under this part and above this part, then yarn over and make just one chain. Now we have magic ring. Into this magic ring I'm going to make 12 single crochet. So I complete the single crochet, we need 12. Now I have 12 single crochet. Then I put the hook here in the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Then I make one chain and one single crochet here in the first stitch. Then make 3 chains, and then here in the next stitch I'm going to make 3 triple crochet. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Then again I'm going to make 3 chains and put the hook in the next stitch and make just one single crochet. Now I have this shape. Again, for the next step, make 3 chains and then put a hook in the next stitch and make 3 triple crochet. So again, this is 1, 2 and 3. Then make 3 chains and put the hook in the next stitch here and make just one single crochet. So you must discontinue until you arrive here. Now I complete the first part of flower, and I have 6 of this shape. Again, here make one chain, and then here make another single crochet, then make 3 chains and put the hook here in above of this single crochet for the next round, and make another single crochet. Again, make 3 chains and put the hook here in above of this part and make another single crochet. As you can see, I have these chains in the back of this flower part, so you must continue until you arrive here. You can see I complete this part in the back of flower, and I make a slip stitch here. Then again I make a slip stitch until I I'm going to do into this hole, in the big hole, and here we need 1 chain, 1 single crochet, and then we need 1 half double crochet, just 1 double crochet, and then we need 7 treble crochet. So this is 1, 2. I continue until I have 7 of these. Now I have 7 treble crochet, then again just 1 double crochet, and again here 1 half double crochet, and then just 1 single crochet. So I have this shape here, as you can see. Again, I put the hook in the next hole in the back of this part and make just 1 single crochet, and again like this part we need 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 7 treble crochet, again 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. So you must continue this shape until again you arrive here. Complete this flower. This is 3D flower and very nice and very beautiful. And then it is the time to make leaves for this flower. For crochet leaf, first I make a slip knots, and then I make 10 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then make 3 chains again and put the hook in the fourth stitch, 1, 2, 3, and 4 here, and make double crochet in this hole. In the 4th stitch we need 3 double crochet. So this is 2 and this is 3. They are in the same stitch like this. Then in the next stitch we need 2 treble crochet. So put a hook in the next here in the next stitch and make 2 treble crochet. So this is 1 and this is 2. Then in the next stitch here we need 1 treble crochet. So this is 1. Again in the next stitch we need just 1 treble crochet, and again in the next stitch we need just 1 treble crochet. Now we have this shape. Then in the next stitch we need just 1 double crochet. Again in the next stitch we need just 1 double crochet. Then in the next stitch we need 1 half double crochet like this, and here in the next stitch we need just 1 single crochet, and in the last stitch we need 3 single crochet. So this is 1, this is 2, and 3. Now I have this shape. Again in the next stitch here we need just 1 single crochet, then 1 half double crochet, then 2 double crochet. So this is 1 and then 2 double crochet, then 3 treble crochet in each stitch. So this is 1, 2 here, put the hook here, and 3 exactly here, and then in the next stitch here we need 2 treble crochet together. So this is 1 and this is 2, like this, and then in the last stitch here we need 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3 double crochet, then make 3 chains and put the hook here in the last chain and make a slip stitch, then 1 chain and cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. So we have this beautiful leaf, and you can put it under this crochet flower. Make some of them in different color, for example light green, dark green or more. So then design this mug cover. Okay, now I complete this flower. As you can see, I use a glue and fix them together. Then I prefer to put it here in this part, so I use this kind of glue and put some of them here, and then put the flower into this part and fix them together. Now this is complete.